What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Steps to Legit. Welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? I missed you guys. Which actually the channel is now called Eat and Chill with Steph because I don't know, I felt like it. So guys, today I'm gonna talk about what's been going on, why I've been missing in action, and I have a beautiful seafood boil. I have a lobster tail, sausage, egg, shrimp, king crab, cucumbers, asparagus, made a little butter sauce there, and I have my one-time spicy. I also have for today's drink a Sprite, which we're actually going to pour right now for you guys. A little ASMR. Take a drink first. Oh my god, I'm starving, so we're gonna get right into this food and then I will go on about what has been going on. So I'm going to start off, let's just start off with the crab, honestly. Like we're hungry up in here, you know what I'm saying? Oof, look at that, it's like the size of my head. Let me get a thumbnail real quick. All right, so guys, I'm excited. This bad boy is huge. Fully prepared. We don't want no circles, so we're gonna cut it on both sides, you know what I'm saying? I need the meat, and I need to not be disappointed, so you know. Oh, it's not as big as I wanted it to be. A nerve. But still pretty juicy. So it's super bomb. I kind of want sauce and some lemon and 2-time spicy or 1-time spicy. Might as well take this out. Perfect. So guys, let me update y'all on what is happening. So I recently moved and I was gonna do a vlog about it, but I suck at doing those kind of things. So I was like, I don't know how to, you know. So I still live, oh man. Alright, probably like you're moving in the middle of a pandemic, like what is happening? But I had to move and I bought a house. With my spouse, which is super cool. Oh, this is so good. I can't even focus. Like, to talk to you guys. I was too lazy to make the other butter sauce. My apologies. I'm gonna put a bit of that in there. Just a little dab, you know, to kick it up, the flavor, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that has literally been taking up all my time. And then getting my kid into a new school and this and that, you know what I mean? Like, it was just taking over my life. But we back because I missed y'all, and I have a Costco right down the street, you know what I'm saying? Which means I will be eating good all the time. That was another thing. The Costco was like a little far where I used to live at before, so it was hard. This is mom. There is a video that I had made before I had made this one, and I never got to put it out. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, I was so consumed into what was happening that I even forgot that I had made the video. So I'm not too sure which one is going to come out first, but you know, we'll see. This is really good. So what's been up with you guys? Here, my house is still not done. Like, there is stuff all over the place. As you can see, the background changed. Remember, I had like the little twinkle lights. And I was like in a room. I haven't decided where to really do the setup yet. So right now I'm just kind of winging it, you know, kind of going with the flow. So in the middle, on the move, I did start watching 90 Day Fiance. I don't know if you guys watched that show. I think I started watching, I didn't start from season 1. It was like season, I want to say like season 6 or something like that, because the season I was watching was the one with another lobster tail. What is her name? Larissa and homeboy. Larissa and, oh man, what is his name? That show is a disaster. I cannot believe the nerve of these people. Talking about you got 90 days. What? 90 days to get married to somebody that you don't know. That's insane. so good. Mm-hmm. And then on that season, I have like my favorite couple, which is Fernanda. Why am I not remembering none of the guys' names? I don't know. Oh my god, a blank. I have no idea. But I think that their relationship was genuine. During the show at least. Because I believe they are no longer together anymore. Oh boy, why is this so hard to open right now? Whoa, get out of there, friend. Come join the party. Woo woo woo. Whoa, this one, okay. Whoa. Oh, what the heck? Wow. That one was doing the most, giving me a hard ass time. Right? But hello? It's like the size of my head. But yeah, so started watching that, and then I finished that season, which disaster.com, like I said. And then started watching the next season, and I like clearly have a lot going on because I like suck at all these people's names right now. I have no idea who's who. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like I clearly came here to eat. I mean, dude, look at that. Look at the drip. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Oh, man. OMG. Ooh. We at full. And then this cucumber right here. My first meal of the day. It's like 2:30, almost. I'm gonna do like mukbangs and stuff. I don't want to save your appetite for this food because not only is it expensive, but it's bomb. Oh my god, guys. I'm getting so full. Whew. What do you think? actually like one more, right? Got 2 shrimps. And got my little lobster tail. And the sausage. I wasn't really in the mood today for sausage. Like I put a piece there because I was like, oh, you know, whatever. But I was more into the seafood. You know what I'm saying? Like that's where it was at. But yeah, guys, that was a little bit of an update, you know, right now. But yeah, I mean, stuff has been pretty hard. Like my daughter transitioning from one school to the other, and everything's virtual, you know, and that kind of sucks because it's like she's the new kid in a virtual class, which is kind of just, it's different, you know. But she seems to like it. The teacher is cool, you know, her classmates are cool from what she says, so they seem nice and they welcomed her, you know. It's just gonna be the adjustment for 2021. But guys, I'm gonna cut this off. I will look up these people's names. That's why I didn't talk too much about this show, because I can't really tell you about it if I don't know the people's names. So I will look up their names and stuff and then get back to you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm so sorry for being gone for so long. My mukbangs are not just gonna be seafood. There will be a bunch of different foods that we will be sharing together, either right here or wherever I decide to set this up. I'll see how like the lighting and everything is when I edit the video and kind of decide from there, because I mean, this isn't a bad spot where I'm at right now, so maybe, you know, put a little plant or two in the background, you know what I'm saying? All right, well guys, I will see you in my next video. Deuces.